Feel like you're gonna throw up. How weird it feels. Just get on that surfboard. Once you touch the water, you must fully submerge and then crawl back. Hey runners, well done. Good finish. Way to finish strong.
You got your gear.
I got the gear.
Thanks, Gravity. What's up, bro?
How you doing, man?
Loving it, man.
We got you here, Obey.
What's going on, man?
What are you doing? How's it going, brother?
Woo! Visualize, verbalize.
Give us a narrative here.
We're in the middle of the Carolinas. We're just off the beach and on the road.
How many miles in?
What, 13 in?
I think so.
Yeah, 13.
13.
There we go.
Halfway.
Halfway. Whole bunch of high impact men over here. Alright, so I'm looking for one over in this direction. There's one. Wait, oh, there's another one.
Whoa.